Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch on-demand TV shows on your YouTube TV. So if you want to watch on-demand TV shows, you can simply go to any show that you want to watch. And for example, if I go to the library and I want to watch Shark Tank, so if I click here, and if you are going to scroll down, you're going to see this small video on demand VOD icon. So if a show or a video or a series is showing this icon of video on demand, that means that we can watch this show on demand. So similarly, if I go to another show like Saturday Night Live, and if I scroll down, as you can see, it is also showing up on the recent episodes of the Saturday Night Live as well. So this is how you are going to watch on-demand shows on your YouTube TV. You can just simply open that show and check if the video on demand option is available or not. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.